Jerry with EatMyTackle. Today we're featuring a whopper stopper. This beauty right here will stop anything that swims. It's rated at 160 to 200 pounds. Heavy duty rollers, double rollers back here, roller tip, and we use wind-on roller guides. They're wide enough even the biggest wind-on can get on. When you got a whopper out there, you got to get them up to the boat. You got to be able to wind that leader all the way up so you can get them within gaff range. It is 6 foot long all the way coming back, including the bend, 59 inches if you take the bend out. Again, it's the whopper stopper. It's meant for the biggest things out there. If you want a big boy with a big toy, try a whopper stopper.